There are so many different kinds of colors. There's red, yellow, and different kinds of green. So try to get as much as bright, different colors as you can. Okay? If you want to make a spiral, you can make a spiral like that too. Ooh. Leaves. You guys, if you have these leaves, like for example, you can take off the leaf and then put on the floor. Take off a leaf, put it on the floor. Okay, everybody, go! Go get your stuff and then come back here to go put your art. Okay, go! Hello, everyone! I am teacher Joanne. Welcome to Shane English School. Today we did a mandala nature art. So we would collect some leaves, some flowers, some twigs, some rocks, and they would put them in a circular pattern. This gives the students some creative minds and some creative thinking to put the rhythm pattern onto the floor. Wow, good job! Please join us at Shane English School.